The Great Depression. A journey through time. In the 1930s, America entered one of the most pivotal eras in its history, the Great Depression. It was a time when lives were upended, fortunes vanished in an instant, and yet, through it all, hope endured. Today, we invite you to travel back in time with us, as we bring this unforgettable chapter to life in vibrant, restored color. A sudden fall. Imagine a world where families worked hard, lived simply, and believed in a brighter future. Life carried on with a sense of stability. Until, in a moment, everything changed. In 1929, the stock market suffered a catastrophic crash, sending shockwaves across the nation. This wasn't just a financial crisis. It marked a seismic shift that would reshape the American way of life. Now, with these moments brought to life in rich, vivid color, their emotional weight becomes even more real. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the Time Frame channel and tell us in the comments what other historical journeys you'd like us to explore. The ripple effect. The Great Depression reached far beyond Wall Street. Unemployment soared. Factories shut their doors. Farmers, already struggling, watched as crop prices collapsed. The effects rippled through every home, every town, every life. And while the stock market crash was the trigger, it wasn't the only cause. A mix of poor policy decisions and global instability deepened the crisis. One of the most consequential actions was the Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930. Intended to protect American businesses by placing high tariffs on imported goods. It backfired. Other countries responded with tariffs of their own, leading to a devastating collapse in international trade. The world economy, already fragile, spiraled even further into turmoil. A lasting legacy. As we reflect on this time through these remarkable images, we don't just witness hardship, we witness human resilience. Neighbors supported one another, communities adapted, and from the ashes of despair, strength was born. Closing thoughts. These images are more than historical records. They are a testament to the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the past. If this story moved you, please subscribe and share in the comments which moment in history you'd like us to bring to life next.